Yo, Charlie, I'm just going to make another video because Aaron prefers this unicorn script that I sent you instead of the syst script. So the syst was just like a change in state of delivery, but the unicorn is only getting the best change in state of delivery. So I currently have the chart marked up for D15s, and like I said to you in the past with the 15-minute labels, if you've got good risk management and a good stop loss, this doesn't bother me that you're getting multiple tags. But with this unicorn indicator of Aaron's, I don't know if you can see the dotted line here, like it's so faint, but basically it's looking for, it is a change in state of delivery after there's been a liquidation of prior price for that time frame. If your higher time frames are daily, like I don't know how you're going to get it to how do I say this, work on every higher time frame. Like the lower time frame needs to look for a 15-minute unicorn. This one, it only does it like once a week, I think, so it's pretty weird. But I think your entry would have been when price closed above this level on this dotted line. You get an alert, like one of these tags will print just there that the unicorn has happened. So basically he skips out on all of the prior noise and he's just getting the one alert, and it's the correct entry for the lower time frame, higher time frame pair up. So yeah, that's, I don't know how difficult this code is, but basically he wants you to look for the unicorn on the lower time frame for whatever the higher time frame was. So basically if there was a bottom wick on each of these days, and here again, like price has closed under the open, and then if there's a unicorn, which I think this would have been like a change in state of delivery over here. So on this candle close, because it's broken this level, but only when it closes, like that would be his unicorn. So he's entering in the body of the candle, but step one would be price did close under the open on the entry time frame, but when he gets the confirmation as step two, it can be inside the body of the candle, and you can see it's like a no drawdown move. I just don't know why this open source indicator is not printing, like if there's something I have to change from the front end, or if there's something you can do to manipulate it to show, like basically every time there's a new day, let me just put a stick on there, every time there's a new day, start looking for a 15-minute unicorn. If step one and then step two are met, print the unicorn if there is one. So that's essentially what he wants to achieve. Yeah, just tell us if this open source code is good, mate, because I don't know why it only prints so seldom. It shouldn't be. Like here it's printing on the reversal, which we don't want. That has to confirm, and then it would start looking from, well, that one is a bit of interference and noise. But yeah, I guess that this one and this one is the only ones that it would have caught, but it's only printing on this higher time frame. But I want to be able to play it on the 4-hour 3-minute as well. So for it to look for 3-minute unicorns, if the 4-hour time frame is your higher time frame, and then the D15s, and if people want to play weekly 2-hour or whatever, higher time frame, lower time frame pair up they want. But yeah, I don't know if you can manipulate this to look for an entry if the conditions are met on every time frame, if you know what I'm saying. So just let me know, mate, if it's too difficult or what the situation is. But it will reduce these tags for Aaron's entry. He'll literally just get the one tag, and that'll be his entry instead of catching all of this interference. So that's up to the individual, however they want to play it. The 30-minute clears it up quite nicely. I still like the indicator that you've done for me. So basically he wants it to be, I'll have the TPM entries overlay Dr. Slater, then he wants to have TPM entries overlay Aaron, so that his entry method is separate to mine. And then the users of the Discord can choose which entry method they prefer.